How to graph y equals negative 2x squared minus 1 using a table of values. Step 1, we're going to use a table of values with 3 columns, x, y equals negative 2x squared minus 1, and the xy column. With x equals negative 2, we replace x with negative 2, and using a calculator, we're going to get y equals negative 9. So the xy coordinates are negative 2 comma negative 9. When x is negative 1, substitute negative 1 into the equation. We get y equals negative 2 times quantity of negative 1 squared minus 1. And again, using BEDMAS or a calculator, we should get the point negative 1 comma negative 3. And for the vertex at x equals 0, we substitute 0 into the equation. We get y equals negative 2 times 0 all squared minus 1. Output is negative 1. And the point is 0 comma negative 1. And you're going to notice a pattern, a symmetrical patterning. So for the next point, x is equal to 1, we substitute that into the equation. With our calculator, we get y equals negative 3, so the point is 1 comma negative 3. And notice the symmetrical harmony here. And lastly, for x equals 2, we are going to get the quantity of negative 9. And again, the point is 2 comma negative 9. And again, we notice a pattern, a symmetry. Step 2, let's plot the points on a Cartesian grid. So for the first point, we go 2 to the left and 9 units down. For the next point, we go from the origin 1 to the left and 3 down. For the vertex, we start at the origin and go 1 down. For the next point, we start at the origin, go 1 across and 3 down, plot your point. And for the last point, we start at the origin, we go 2 to the right and 9 down. And for step 3, we create a nice smooth curve that joins all 5 points, and it should look something like this. That's how you graph y equals negative 2x squared minus 1 using a table of values.